What's with that crazy look on your face? What are you doing that for? You think it's funny that Mom doesn't know the answers to those questions?
Yeah.
Do you know the answers to the questions?
No.
Who are the Democratic guys that are running for the presidency? Who's trying to run for the presidency on the Democratic side?
The guys?
Yeah, what are their names? The people that are running for the Democrats.
Hillary Clinton and Barack Obama.
And who are the Republican candidates?
John McCain and Mike Huckabee.
And who's the other guy?
Mitt Romney.
But how come, what happened to Mitt Romney?
He didn't get enough votes, so he's not in here.
Oh, he's not? Oh, well, who do you want to be the president?
Barack Obama.
What? Well, why would you want Barack Obama? What will he do for us?
Fix our country.
Yeah, you think he can fix things up for us? Yeah? What about what happens if John McCain gets elected?
Or Jim.
We're what?
Jim.
Oh no. Are you sure that's what you're forecasting? Yeah? So who do you want to win? Who do you want to win?
Barack Obama.
Say it like you mean it.
Barack Obama.